Welcome. So, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what this course is about. It's about building a medical tattoo practice. Because, yes, we can all take classes, understand the artistry and the technique and the different types of reconstructions and scars. Any type of medical tattooing that you perform, we learn these techniques by taking these classes to learn and perform this. But then what? We have to get clients. We have to understand the business part of it. And there's so much more involved that can't be covered in just a normal class that you're taking for these procedures. So, this is where we dive deep into the medical part of a business and how to control and understand every part about medical tattooing in the business for this. I've been doing this for 20 years in medical tattooing, and I've been set up in so many different ways. So I want to share my knowledge with you. I want you to understand and give you all the insights on every part of medical tattooing. There are going to be some key things in this course that are really going to help you build your business. A lot of questions that come up along the way for running a paramedical tattoo business is things like pricing and how I should price and what I should price. So these are all things that we're going to talk about in pricing and really getting to understand how to do this and what's the right price and how to make a successful business in the way that we price our procedures, how to set it up in each location or however your location is set up. How are you going to price that based on where you're performing these procedures, who you're working with is another thing. Pricing is a big thing. It's a huge deal, and it's one of the biggest questions that I get for paramedical tattooing when I'm training this. The other thing is things like social media and marketing and how to get clients, how to connect with doctors. These types of things are going to be so important in understanding how to run a successful paramedical tattoo business. Another thing is when you're setting up your office. These are all things that we're going to talk about. We're going to dive deep into these things on how to set up your office. What are the things that you're going to need? What are the things that you might look for if you are looking for a space, or the things that you're going to need to bring to the space if you're going to open up your own space? What are all these things, right? So we're going to get into all of these things in this course, and it's really going to help you dive into the business end of it, which is great. We'll talk about legal stuff and all kinds of fun stuff. So yes, get your foundation with your artistry and have a successful, great trainer to perform this for you. But really, our foundation starts here. We won't be able to perform these procedures that we're spending lots of money on taking courses if we don't have the basics down, right? It only makes sense. So, if you're interested, I pleased to pop on a call with you if you have further questions. But this course is going to be right for you if you're looking to build a paramedical tattoo business.